So in this session, we are going to learn about the language processing systems. They are preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker, loader, and about memories. Before going into details, let us see what is cross compiler. A cross compiler is a software which runs on platform A and generate code for platform B. Compilers is a software written to translate a program written in high-level language into a semantically equivalent object code. The difference between a compiler and interpreter is an interpreter also converts the source program into object program, but in the process it gives the error messages then and there. Next, let us see the phases of compilation. The various phases of compilation are broadly classified into analysis phase and synthesis phase. The analysis phase is also called as front end of compiler, and synthesis phase is done with the back end of compiler. In the analysis phase, the source program, which is to be translated into object program, is scanned into core parts, which are called as tokens. This process is also called as lexical analysis. Then these tokens are checked with the grammar, and this process of checking with the grammar is called parsing, and the code that violates the grammar are given with syntax errors. The next phase is the intermediate code generation. In this process, the source code, which is in high-level language, is translated into an intermediate code form of syntax trees based on syntax-directed translation rules. In these processes, the symbol table, the data structure, maintains all the details of variables, tokens, and the attributes of source code. The backend of the compiler is called as synthesis phase. In this phase, the object code is generated and optimized. This is based on the hardware of the system.